Good morning, children. Welcome to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Vijay Lakshmi, your maths teacher. Children, I hope now you have learned about the conversion of measurements of length, weight and capacity. I hope you have practiced the problems well. So today, children, you are going to learn a topic in connection with measurement. So let us see what it is. Okay? So children, I have a garden which is rectangular shape. I have decided to put a fence around the garden. So I have to calculate how much fence I have to buy, isn't it? So what should I do? I need to calculate the total length around the garden, isn't it? I have to find the total length around the garden. So this length around the shape or around the garden is called the perimeter. So perimeter of a closed figure is the total distance around it. Okay? So how are we going to find the perimeter of this garden? To find the perimeter, we need to find the length of all sides of the rectangle, isn't it? Here, the length of one side of the rectangle is 14 meter and the other side is 30 meter. So to find the total length of the rectangle, I need to add all the lengths of all sides of the rectangle. So you know that the opposite sides of a rectangle are same, isn't it? Do you remember that, children? Yes. So we can find now the total length of the sides of the rectangle. That is 40 plus 30 plus 40 plus 30. So now 40 plus 30 is 70. 70 plus 40 is 110. And 110 plus 30 is 140. So the perimeter of the rectangle or the garden is 140 meter. So I need a fence which is of length 140 meter. Okay, children, I hope now you understood what a perimeter is. So perimeter is the total distance around a closed shape. It can be any shape. So let us find out the perimeter of some closed shapes, or which we call it as polygons. Do you remember polygons, children? What are polygons? Yes, polygon is a closed figure with 3 or more sides, isn't it? Okay, so let us find the perimeter of some shapes today. Perimeter. Perimeter is the total distance around a closed figure. So now, let us find out the perimeter of some given shapes. Now, here is a triangle whose sides are 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So now, let us find out the perimeter of the figure. To find the perimeter, we have to add all the lengths of its sides. So, the sum of the lengths of its sides is equal to 5 plus 6 plus 3. So, it is equal to 14 centimeter. So, the perimeter of the triangle given is equal to 14 centimeter. Now, let us find the perimeter of the given square. The length of the side of the square is equal to 8 centimeter. So, the perimeter is equal to the total distance or the total length of all its sides. So 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 32 centimeter. So the perimeter of the square is equal to 32 centimeter. Now look at the pentagon here. It has 5 sides, and that is why it is called a pentagon. Now, the length of each side of the pentagon is equal to 5 centimeter. So now let us find the perimeter. The perimeter is the total distance around the closed figure pentagon. So the perimeter is equal to 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is equal to 25 centimeter. So the perimeter of the pentagon is equal to 25 centimeter. Now let us find the perimeter of some shapes using square units. Now here are some shapes, and let us measure the perimeter of these shapes. We can see that the shapes are divided into squares, and each square is of side 1 centimeter, and so they are called unit squares. Now let us measure the perimeter of these shapes. The length of the first rectangle is 5 centimeter and width is 1 centimeter. So the perimeter is equal to 12. The width of the next rectangle is 2 centimeter and length is 4 centimeter. So totally the perimeter is equal to 12 centimeter. In the next figure, all the sides are of same length, and so the perimeter is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is equal to 12 centimeter. So children, I hope you have understood what a perimeter is, and you are ready to calculate the perimeters of things around you. So practice more problems, children, and you will find it a fun to find the perimeter of closed figures. So go through the YouTube video, write down the notes, and also answer the questions which I have given in the classroom. So see you again with another topic. Till then, goodbye, stay safe and stay